Hello students, good morning. I am here with new lesson. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is the northern mountains. Yes student, the northern mountains. In this lesson we will discuss about the highest mountain range, Himalaya, and its three main important ranges, and after that we will discuss about the advantages of Himalaya. In this lesson we have to study these things. So let's start today's class. The northern mountains. First of all, we will discuss about location and extent where the northern mountain is located, and what is the extent of Himalayan mountain. The northern mountains comprise the Himalayas. The northern mountain comprise the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range. Yes, student. Himalayas is the highest mountain range of the world. It is too much high. The fact that a large part of the range remains covered with snow throughout the year. Yes, student. The Himalayan mountain range remains covered throughout the year. Whole year it is covered with ice and snow. Justifies the name Himalaya. It means a dome of snow, means a house of snow. Himalaya. So it is called in Sanskrit a dome of snow. Next thing is the Himalayas stretch across the northern and the northeastern part of the country. Means Himalayas extended from northern and the northeastern part of the country. It stretches from northern and the northeastern part of the country. From it extended from, when we talk about in reference of a place, from Jammu Kashmir and in the north, it is extended from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in northeast. It is the extent of Himalayan mountain from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast for about 2500 kilometer. Yes, student, 2500 kilometer. It extended from north to northeast part of India. And other thing is 9 of the 10th highest mountain peaks in the world are in the Himalayan range. It is very big thing regarding Himalaya. 9 of the 10th highest mountain peaks in the world are in the Himalayan range. Okay. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. We all know The highest mountain peak is Everest in the world, and its height is 8,848 meters. Yes, student, its height is 8,848 meters high and located in the Nepal. The Mount Everest located in which country? In Nepal. Kanchenjunga 18,586 meter is the highest peak in India. It is most important. The highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga 8,586 meters. 8,586 meter. Highest peak in India. And other thing is the Himadri or the dear student, here are three mountain ranges of Himalaya divided into three mountain ranges, you can say three part. Each and every part have its own quality according to the land, the wildlife, mountains and the other things. So we will discuss about three mountain ranges of Himalaya. First one is Himadri or the Greater Himalaya. Himadri or the Greater Himalaya. It is the northernmost ranges of Himalaya. The Himachal or the Middle Himalaya. And other one is Himachal or Middle Himalaya. It is called the Middle Himalaya because it is in middle portion of Himalaya. And last one is the Shivalik or the Outer Himalayas. Last one is the Shivalik or the Outer Himalayas, means it is the last extent towards the northeast. So my dear student, we have to discuss in this lesson regarding Himalaya, and in our next video we will discuss about three parallel mountain ranges of Himalaya: the Himadri or the Greater Himalaya, Himachal or Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik or Lower Himalayas. And then after we will discuss about importance of Himalaya. Dear student, the Himalayan mountain or Himalayas called the Adobe of Snow. Adobe of Snow means house of snow, Himalaya in Sanskrit, and it is too much high mountain of the world, and it protect India towards the north side. It guard our border and it stop the cold winds coming from outside countries and stop the rain bearing monsoon which are about to move out of the country. So Himalayas is very important for us, and we will discuss and we will see in detail in our next video. So here I am concluding my video. So my dear student, I hope you will be fine and safe at your home, and two things that I remind to you always, that is, purchase your book as soon as possible and do comment in comment box for your attendance. It is very important for you. So I wish you a great day and have a nice day.